So you've looked at all of your applicants and you know who you want to interview. So right now we're going to show you how to do that. So as you can see, I got back onto my job openings screen and I searched for the job requisition number as we did when looking at the applicants. And so once you are on that screen, you will go over here and you will click on the More button, and then you will click on the Pending link, and that will take you to the list of applicants so that you can change their status. That link will bring you to this list, and as you can see, these are all of the applicants who have applied for this position. Again, you will probably have many more, so using the name sorter will probably come in handy for you. Remember that you can sort applicants by their last name, going alphabetically, clicking on this column header. Now, we have decided that we would like to interview the Munis applicant, and so we are going to click on their screen, and it will come up like this. So notice here you have the status. What we're going to do is click the update button here, and we will click on candidate. That means you would like to interview them. And down here on the comment section, you are able to type something into this text box. And what we need you to do here is type the order of preference in which you would like to put this interview candidate. So for instance, we need you to choose 3 interview candidates and 3 alternates in case those first 3 applicants and interview candidates are unavailable. So we need you to indicate in the comment box here, okay, this is interview number 1. And we realize that for certain jobs, such as a shelver or other positions, depending on a case-by-case basis, you may not be able to choose a full 6 people whom you'd like to interview. If that is the case, please just contact the personnel office and we can definitely work with you. But the majority of the time, again, you'll need to choose 3 people you would like to interview and then a separate 3 as alternates. And right here in the comment box is where we would like you to note that. So once you're done choosing the status and adding your comment, we are going to click accept. And there's one more step to this. So you found the interview candidate you would like to interview. You've updated everything here. You've clicked accept. After all of that, you go to more, and then you click release. And release this applicant for approval. That means that this person will go through the approval workflow queue before you are able to call them to schedule an interview. So make sure you've got the right person before you click yes. And that is all you need to do. So once this has been released for approval, it will go through the personnel office, it will go through upper management, and then once this applicant is completely approved, we will let you know. The personnel office will contact you and say these people have been approved as interview candidates. You may go ahead and contact them for interviews. Now, please don't contact them for interviews before they are approved as candidates. That's very important. You need to have them fully approved by the entire workflow approval process before you call them to actually schedule an interview. And how you do that, again, you go to more over here and you click release. And we will keep you up to date on the status of the workflow approval. And we will also help you approve if that is something that you are in line to do.